the Corps Commander orders the Troop Adjutant to account the troops.
Unang! Yo! Kapulangan! Narito po lahat! Tabagalaman! Yo! Dalawang pulangan! Lahat! Pagkalaman!
After receiving the reports, the adjutant faces about, salute and renders to the Corps Commander the troops all present and accounted for.
Lipod! Ito po lahat! Binig sa kautusan! Ang mga nakatalaga ngayon!
The Corps Commander then directed the adjutant to publish the orders of the day.